Hi everyone, this is Takashi. I'm gonna be coloring Benny's hair. I'm gonna start from the roots applying Colorance demi-permanent color. Now I've finished applying demi-permanent color on the roots. I'm gonna move on to the top section. I'm gonna take triangle section from the end of her eyebrows and carefully clip it without disturbing the color on the roots. Now you can see I left triangular section on top and I left some hair in the front hairline so that I can work on the technique later. Now I'm gonna apply Colorance demi-permanent color all the way through to the ends at the back. Now I'm working on the top section where the technique is. I'll be taking small weave at the back to the large weave at the front. And I'm taking a section, pivoted up towards the middle part. Now I'm applying Colorance demi-permanent. Then SilkLift Strong 6%.